Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your OS build, update the related app, and free space on the home screen. Then, long press an empty area or open the widget gallery to start. This step exposes placement options and size handles. Once done, you'll see available widgets grouped by app. Make sure to pick the correct app and note default sizes. You're now ready to drag a widget into place and tweak its base dimensions for the next stage. You now customize functional and visual settings. Tap the placed widget to access configuration. Here, choose data sources, set refresh intervals, and pick what content appears. These choices affect battery and data use. Once configured, resize by dragging handles and use presets for fast, consistent layouts. Make sure to preview changes. Small tweaks to padding, transparency, or font size can dramatically improve readability. When satisfied, lock layout if your launcher supports it to prevent accidental moves. You finish by verifying permissions. Allow background refresh, network access, and any required app permissions. Without these, widgets won't update. Test interaction. Tap links, open items, and confirm automatic refreshes occur. If the widget fails, remove it, reboot the device, and reinstall the app, then re-add the widget and reapply settings. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache before reinstalling. This often resolves stale data problems that prevent widgets from loading properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.